Okay, boys and girls, you may hear an air compressor start up in the back, but today we got this Bostitch coil roofing nailer. I found this in the dumpster like 7 years ago. Needed a O-ring kit on the trigger. There's the compressor. Okay, so I found this in a dumpster like 7 years ago. It needed an O-ring kit on the trigger, so I replaced that, and it sat on my shelf for 7 years. I don't know if you can see the number there. It sat on my shelf for 7 or 8 years. I had to build a fence. I built a nice wood fence, 220 feet of fence. Thank you, Harry. And this thing got banged around a lot, and it's starting to leak again. It still fires, but it's leaking into the muffler from the trigger when you're not using it. So I found this online. Superior Parts trigger kit. We'll see if we could get it going. It's a nice aluminum one. The inside is plastic. That might have to be plastic. Sorry, I can't get the best angle here. That plunger right there is all plastic. So we'll see what happens. Gotta get a little punch. Small. Does this have the size on it? Yeah, 3/32. There's your trigger. And keep that flap stays up, always up. That was this pin. Now we're going to knock out that pin for the trigger valve. Sometimes you got to grab a needle nose. There it is. Is it better? I don't know. Is it gonna shoot better? I don't know. Looks to be the same dimensions where the O-rings line up. Same height. We're gonna see, right? Clean it all up in there. Make sure there's no cockies. Okay, wants to sit like that. A lot of guys use air tool oil. I like something a little more thick. I use this. It's like a gel. Won't swell the O-rings. It's got a nice needle applicator on it. Drop it right back in there once it's lubed up. Push our pin home. Go in your home. Clean up our trigger a little bit. Got a little goop on it. That flap's got to stay up. That's kind of like what the safety hits. Line it up. Hope all this is in the shot. Gentle, gentle love taps. And we're done. That's all it takes, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta test it out? Yeah, I guess we gotta test it out. I took the nails out of it. It's not leaking. It's all plugged up. We got poundage. Got poundage. Ooh, that's nice. Very nice. All right, boys and girls. Lube it up. Put some air tool oil in there. Have a nice day. All right, boys and girls, lube it up, put some air tool oil in there, and that's it. Good luck with your projects.